So today we wanted to have a chat to the kids about what are the skills that we're looking for on the other end when we're having people come through apprenticeship systems or through work experience. There's a gap in the skill set that we need, and it's not about A's and B's and C's. It's about what are the adaptable skill sets that make you a good employable person, and that's really why we want to touch base with the kids today, tell them all the things that we're actually looking for. Everyone gets a trade set at the end. It's about who you are as a person that gets you ahead in life, so we're trying to make sure they're focusing on that at the same time.
It's really about personality and the person and the effort that they put in. So good communication, collaboration, being adaptive, empathising with the client, not always thinking that you know what they want, but listening to them, being able to work with other people and being innovative as well. I think that we need to change the misconception of what industry actually is. It's not necessarily a dirty job anymore. Getting the girls to understand that they can be a part of this with us without needing to compromise on anything.
Every team, no matter what you do, you're going to be working in a team, no matter what. Even if you're a subby by yourself, you're going to be working with other tradesmen, other contractors. So teaching those skills so everything works harmoniously for you, and that is your natural progression. And to keep moving with those skill sets that set you aside from everyone else in your field, to be more inclusive, to be more understanding, to be more helpful in general, and innovative. Innovation for our country to keep moving forward, we need to innovate here and keep advancing what we have. So that's a big focus for us. Incredibly important. You never stop learning, and everything's always developing, and those who develop ahead of everyone else who are at the top of the food chain.